Mozambican chef and TV presenter Rogério Matus spends a day with local farmer Elina Paulo to find out about the impacts of climate change on local agriculture. Here in southern Mozambique, prolonged droughts, floods and erratic rainfalls are threatening even staple foods like cassava, a popular ingredient used in many local dishes, and for Elina, a main source of income, says Rogério.
Elina explained very well how she survives thanks to this field and the cassava she grows. But with climate change, people have seen their food production reduced.
Fortunately for Elina, she planted a new drought-resilient variety of cassava and her yields are up. She now grows enough to sell, but today's harvest will be used for lunch. With the chef's help, she will prepare a local delicacy, goat stew with cassava.
Traditional recipes like caldeirada de cabrito con mandioca not only enrich Mozambican gastronomy, but also help to rediscover those good flavors of the earth, such as goat, cassava, and all the vegetables that come from the field.
Last year, Elina joined a project funded by the UN's International Fund for Agricultural Development, helping farmers adapt to the changing environment. She tells Rogério about the new skills she has been taught.
Through the project, we have learned to grow cassava 1 meter apart. So when they grow, the shadows they cast help maintain the moisture. We also plant other crops together, such as cowpea and groundnuts, which protect the soil and increase its fertility. And this new variety of cassava grows even with little rain.
To find out more, the chef speaks with the project's climate change officer, Egidio Mutimba.
The idea of the project is to introduce new varieties and also disseminating good practice for them to be able to produce more and be able to sell their produce.
Back home, the cooks sear the meat over a high flame and then add water, cassava and the rest of the vegetables. While left to simmer, Rogério hears of Elina's new business ventures.
Now we are growing more cassava, and with our own processing center, we can use the extra cassava to make flour, which we can sell, or use to bake cakes and biscuits, which we can also sell.
Elina is a member of the farmers group that run this small factory. They meet regularly to learn about new methods, discuss and share experiences. Through the project, they have also established vegetable gardens with irrigation systems, providing them with fresh produce all year round. Lunch is ready, and Elina does the honours.
This project is very important, as it helps the population prepare themselves for future problems due to climate change. It also helps maintain cassava production at a national level, and allows us to still enjoy fantastic recipes like caldeirada de cabrito con mandioca.
20,000 other farming families are taking part in the IFAD-supported project, and like Elina, can now rely on more regular and abundant harvests, making them less vulnerable to the unpredictable climate.